How to remove linked devices from WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can remove the linked devices from WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to remove the linked devices from WhatsApp, it's actually quite very simple thing to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp application here and make sure that you're first of all signed into your account. If you happen to link other devices, you can actually simply log them out by coming to the chat page. Look for the three dots option located at the top right hand side of the screen there. Then from there you can simply go to the option called linked devices. So you can tap on linked devices, and over here you will actually see a list of all the devices that you've happened to link, which you can simply select there. And once you select that devices, you will be able to find the logout option to log them out successfully. This way you will be able to go ahead and then remove linked devices on WhatsApp. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.